Working from home is a challenging task, and what makes it more difficult is to work with your laptop and watching the small screen for long duration puts lots of stress in your eyes. To avoid that stress, I have purchased a monitor. This is Dell UltraSharp 25-inch USB Type-C monitor and the model number is U2520D. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of Dell UltraSharp monitor. So first let's do the unboxing and let's see what comes in the box. In the box you will find a bunch of different cable for connections. It's USB Type-C to USB Type-C, USB Type-C to Type-A, display port cable, a power cable, a base stand, a stand riser, and a monitor panel. Now coming to the connectivity option, on the side you have USB downstream port with power charging USB Type-C port. At the back, bunch of options for connectivity: HDMI port, display port in, USB Type-C port, display port out, and audio line out. I have connected my laptop with USB Type-C cable. The setup is quite simple. Just plug the cable in both the sides. This monitor is designed for productivity. It has the ability to tilt, swivel, and adjust the height of your monitor as per your needs, and you can stay comfortable all day. And coming back to the display performance, it has a great color where you can get wide color coverage with 95%. It has exceptional clarity. It is a QHD 2560 1440 resolution with a high pixel density of 117.5 ppi. You get an outstanding color depth, an excellent peak brightness, and a constant ratio of 1000:1. And the images are displayed in true life color. The colors are exceptional and accurate out of the box. If you have a limited desk space, so this monitor fits well with the compact base. It is priced around €400 in Amazon, and you may also find deals in other sites. So overall, I use this monitor for my office as well as video editing purpose. I am very satisfied with this monitor and would highly recommend others who are looking for the right options. So friends, that's all in this video, and I hope this video helped you to make some decision. If you have any questions or comment, do mention in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel. This helped me to grow. That's all in today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.